This is CodeCombat. I'm currently working on Game Development 1, the JavaScript version, Level 4. Amazing! Goals. Beat your own level. Add 2 more forest objects now that we can use game.spawnxy to spawn a forest tile and a chest of gems. Also, you can add a goal to collect all gems with game.addCollectGoal. Okay, cool, let's get going. So remember, / is a comment. They have helpful info. Programmers use them to tell each other stuff. The computer skips over them when it runs the code. Set up game goal. We have all that. Oh, this is where we're going to add stuff. Add 2 more forest objects. Make sure not to block all the gems completely. Okay, I'm going to try. Let's see if it will let me zoom in a bit. It's probably easier for you. All right, so we want to add 2 more forest objects. Maybe, because my player's up here, so maybe I want one here, which looks like 35, 25, maybe. So to add a forest object, game.spawnxy, and then instead of a fence, we want forest. Oh, what's it mad about? It's forest, and then I was thinking 35 maybe, and 25? Oh, maybe a bit lower. Something like that. And then if I need to get all the way over here, maybe I'll put one here at 50, 22. So I'm going to write again, game.spawnxy, and instead of fence, forest, and I said that it was 50x, right? Because if you hover your mouse over, it will give you an XY coordinate for that point, and 22. Okay, let's give this a shot. Oh, I missed the semicolon. That has appeared. Add more forest objects. You'll ever create a maze. Do I have more than one goal? Add 2 more. Okay, let's see if this is enough. 2 more forest objects. Let's play it. Ta-da! We did it. Awesome. Let's keep going.